y'all, welcome back, and welcome if you are new. My name is Sam and welcome to my channel. I have some easy and delicious weeknight meal ideas for you this week, so let's just get right into the video. Alright, we are starting this week off with some super easy chili dogs. Now I've got my fries in the freezer. I haven't got those out yet, but you can make any kind of fries that you want. I've got some buns here. These are the top sliced buns. I love these for chili dogs, so I've got some of that. And I've got some hot dog chili sauce. This is our favorite, but you can use whatever kind you like. You can make homemade if you prefer. And I've got some of these Johnsonville cheddar brats. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat this up on the stove, grate up some cheddar cheese to go on top, put this in a skillet with a little bit of water, about 1/4 cup of water, put the lid on, let those steam up for about 5 minutes or so, take the lid off, and then I'm going to let them crisp up in the pan, and then I'm going to make some French fries in the air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and put all this together, and then I will show you my plate. Alright guys, here is my plate. I've got 2 of the chili dogs and a little bit of French fries. I'm going to add some ketchup with some pepper in just a minute. And that is what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. It's absolutely delicious and super easy. Alright guys, sorry for the lighting. First off, it is storming outside, so I've got all of my lights on, but it's a little bit dark in here, but it'll be fine. What I've got going on here is we're going to have fried chicken tonight with some pasta salad and some vegetables to go on the side. I've got some of this Suddenly Salad BLT pasta salad. I've got my chicken thighs soaking in some buttermilk. I've got some flour here. These are the seasonings that I have in it. I've got this rodeo ranch, Lowry seasoning, some garlic powder and onion powder, and some pepper, and I've just got that mixed up. So what I'm going to do is kind of like take this, put this in here in the flour, and kind of coat it, put it back in the buttermilk, and then coat it again and put it straight into the hot oil. I'm going to do that. I'm going to cook up my pasta and some vegetables, and then I will show you what everything looks like when it's done. Alright guys, here is my plate. I've got some fried chicken here, some pasta salad, some asparagus with just butter and salt and pepper, and just a little biscuit, and that is what we have for dinner, and it was absolutely delicious. Alright guys, today we are having breakfast for dinner. I did not get any clips of me making it. I completely forgot. It's just been a very, very busy week, but I made some pancakes, some scrambled eggs with cheese, some bacon. My husband wanted some sausage, and I made some grits with just salt, butter, and pepper. And this is what we had for today's dinner, and it was absolutely delicious as well. Today we went to my daughter's Christmas parade that she had for her school, and we stayed there for 2 or 3 hours, and we were absolutely ravenous when we got done. So we went to a little local Mexican restaurant called Los ARCOS, and we got some dinner. I got the chicken, steak, and cheese, like tortilla wraps. I also got a strawberry daiquiri. This is my husband's plate. I have no idea what he got, but this is what it is. It's like beef tortilla wraps or something like that. He also got a beer. And my daughter got the steak, shrimp, and chicken nachos. And we also had some of these, it's just what they give you as an appetizer. We had the salsa and the cheese dip, and it was absolutely delicious, and we all enjoyed it. Alright guys, this is our family Thanksgiving dinner. Everybody did a fantastic job. We had a little bit of everything. We had macaroni and cheese, turkey, chicken dressing, green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole. We had pecan pie, we had pumpkin pie, deviled eggs, rolls, just a little bit of everything, and we all absolutely enjoyed it. Alright guys, so that is everything that we had for dinner this week. We absolutely enjoyed everything that we had this week, but I am done with cooking. I've cooked so much this week that this week's meal plan is, I have no idea what I'm going to make this coming week, so I'm just going to wing it. But I'm going to bring you guys along so that way you can see what I make this week. I just don't have a meal plan for this coming week, but we will figure it out. We will wing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.